Looking for a gaming and working tool all in one? Let's take a look at Huawei's latest flagship phone, the Huawei Mate 20X. The Huawei Mate 20X sports a dewdrop notch and has a triple camera setup with 40, 20, and 8 megapixel sensors. Furthermore, the Huawei Mate 20X also has a full HD Plus resolution with 87.83 screen-to-body ratio, measuring to 7.2 inches of screen width. It offers 3 more hours of gaming time versus its competitors. With Huawei taking steps to improve the gaming experience, fans are sure to have a lot of fun. You can up the gaming factor with its newly added Android controller for a better experience. And of course, there's also the new M Pen. A first for Huawei, it's useful for drawing or taking notes, of course. So what do you think of the new Huawei Mate 20X? Tell us in the comments section below. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, hit subscribe and that bell icon to stay updated with all of ScoopFed's upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time!